Damn, I must have lost my marbles again. Hi guys, my name's Deepak Shukla, founder at Pearl Lemon Sales. We're a sales training and development agency based in the UK as well as the USA and serving clients worldwide. And here today in day number 44 of 119 days of cold calling training, we're here to talk about the I lost my marbles mirror. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link below to get the additional 17 strategies that are not shared in this training. So that I lost my marbles mirror. Guys, this is a really great fallback that you can make whenever a mistake is made on the phone call, okay? It's a simple, effective go-to. I see time and time again that when someone makes a mistake, and we're all going to make mistakes on a call, right? We're going to, for example, get someone's name wrong. We're going to be given poor contact data. We're going to do a whole variety of screw ups, and some of those screw ups might not be ourselves depending upon the data we've been given, etc., etc. But there's going to be, from the prospect's perspective, mistakes made that are from our side, your side, if you're making the call. So what is the go-to when you've got to go to a go-to because there's been a mistake and it's awkward? Examples. Hi, is this Richard? No, it's Frank. Oh, oops. Damn. Hi there. Is Richard around? Sorry, Richard who? Richard Williams? He left the company 3 years ago. Oh, okay. Hi there. I've got down Richard Williams as the sales director. Richard passed away a month ago. Oh, wow. Damn. Hi there. I've got a Richard Williams as the sales director at the business. Never heard of him, mate. Hi there. Is this Mary's Marbles shop? No, this is Williams Wood Shop. What do you want? Oh, oops, sorry. So as you can see, guys, I've got you down as a sales director. No, I'm the sales manager. I'm not the director. Oh, okay. Guys, as you can see, I'm just giving you some examples of different levels of mistakes that can come up on a call. If you're in the world of cold calls, you probably had some of these come up before, and you need to have a go-to when something like that happens, and all of a sudden you're caught in the midst of it. So this is where the I lost my marbles mirror comes up. So I think that, to be honest with you, there's two elements to this. I lost my marbles go to. This is not this is really the I lost my marbles go to. So when you've made such a boo-boo on a call like that, we'll talk about the I lost my marbles actual mirror in the next training. What you go to is, you know what, I thought I must have just lost my marbles again. I am looking for Richard. So the why I lost my marbles is because it's a pretty well-known expression. But to be honest with you guys, you can choose this expression or any other, but having an expression is going to be really powerful when a mistake is made. So, you know what, Frank, trap. I thought I kept hold of, and even developing it and playing with it is going to be good also. So you could use expressions such as, oh, sorry, is Richard around? There's no Richard Williams. He passed away a month ago. Oh, Christ. Look at me losing my marbles again and making such a stupid mistake. I'm so sorry about that. Oh my God. Is Richard around? Richard Williams? Richard's been away for the last 6 months on paternity leave. Ah, crap. I see I've not updated my sheet. I know that, in fact. There's me. I thought I'd managed to keep all of my marbles this week. So do you see, guys, that I'm using different variations of the marbles? I thought I'd kept all my marbles this week. Yep, that's the last marble that I've got in my brain, gone out the bag. I've lost all my marbles again. So pick what your phrase is, and it could be, and again, it could be, for example, something such as, there's me being a silly sausage again. There's me being a wally again. What a wally I am. So looking at different kind of cute, let's call them cute phrases, cute go-tos, and we'll do a little bit of a training, I guess, around cute go-tos. But the I lost my marbles go-to is a go-to that you can go to whenever a mistake comes up, and you can just use it as a catch-all saying, I've lost my marbles again, haven't I? I'm so sorry, I did actually mean George. I lost my marbles again. I'm so sorry, Claire. I actually wanted to talk to George. I lost my marbles. I must have lost my marbles. I did mean William, actually. So do you see that by combining the apologetic kind of approach with the I lost my marbles when a mistake has been made, it really lowers the prospect's guard, because then you can switch into is that person around, or this is what I wanted to talk to you about. But the underlying emphasis, the North Star is please forgive me, and then we quickly sidestep and move on. So that's why whenever you come up against he's not here anymore, he died, he moved away, he's not at this business, I've never heard of him, I don't know who you're talking about, you've got the wrong person, you've got the wrong title, you've got the wrong company, you've got the wrong revenue number, you've got the wrong department, there's many different variations. You can fall back to you know what, I lost my marbles, because you're right, in fact. Even saying you're right, in fact, is not the thing to say to people. So I lost my marbles. Of course, you're that's absolutely right. I lost my marbles again. Thank you for correcting me. Or I lost my marbles again. Thank you for helping me find them by correcting me. So can you see there that you can use this in a variety of different ways, and you can pick, a different variation of it. But the underlying point here is that if you have the lost my marbles go to, then you will have a fallback in those instances where mistakes happen.
Remember, we've got 17 gated strategies just waiting for you. All you need to do is bing, subscribe, as well as click the link in the description below to get access to those 17. Get some.